Hi, this is Jody. Welcome to Northern Country Creations, and I've got a journal flip through here for you. And so this is an altered, condensed Reader's Digest book. And so this is a masculine for a man, or maybe a woman would like it too. So I will show you what I did. So this is, it's called Fernwood Vintage. This is the material that I used here on the spine, and I thought it would be pretty cool to put it into the book as your page marker, or you can just leave it hanging off the book. And I made a book plate, and then here is the back, and then I did the tie or band for it. All right, so let's take a look. All right. And this is all book pages from vintage books. Ledger sheets, coffee and tea dyed papers. So we will just flip through it here real quick. And there is not any journal cards or anything in here. This is for the person to journal themselves or add add what they want to the book or to the journal. Beautiful, beautiful vintage pages I have in here. A lot of them are wildlife and very old pages. Ledger, 1940s. Cardstocks. There's some sporting outdoorsman books. Flowers. It's basically, it's 1976. This is a Department of Natural Resources, so there's lots of those in here. Beautiful illustrations and papers, all different types. Lots and lots of room to journal. And, oops, and beautiful things to look at. You can glue things in here, journal. This would make a great guy's gift. A lot of it's focused on, you know, outdoors theme. I mean, this book is packed with pages. There's a loon there. This is the second signature. Oh, I made a pocket here, that's right. Beautiful, beautiful pictures. I love this, the Reader's Digest condensed books. Love this dark colored paper. It's very thick. Some animals. Just wonderful. I know I'm kind of going fast, but just a quick flip through so you can see what's in the book. There's some Gwen Frostic pages. Copyright 1958. It's old type book page, typewriter type. Snowmobile quiz. All book pages, nothing digital. Some more of that type. I love that look. And then it ends with a beautiful poem. And then there's the buttons that hold on the elastic. So there you go. A wonderful men's book or nature book for anyone, I guess. So hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what you think and if you have any questions. Thank you. See you in the next video.